Good morning, students. Today we are starting our fifth lesson, that is substances in the surrounding, their states and the properties. Have you kept your textbook open? Open your textbook, page number 32. So in this lesson, we are studying only about the properties and the states of a substance. I think from third standard, you had studied the different states of a substance. Okay? So in detail, we are going to study the states of a substance and the properties of a substance. Just see this tray. I had taken variety of substances here. Okay? Can you name these substances? See, this is the sand, sugar, naphthalene ball. This is the spoon, cotton, wax, ghee. This is ice, coconut oil, honey, perfume bottle, water, and this is a camphor. I have taken some substances. You know that variety of substances are there, but I had taken some substances. As we are studying or observing all these substances, you may be finding some differences in these substances, and there may be some similarity in the properties of these substances. Okay? But now we are discussing only about the states of a substance. You know the states of a substances? Substances occur in three states: solid, liquid and gaseous. Can you tell me these substances, in which states these substances occur? This is the sand in solid. We will now categorize the substances according to their state. Sugar, solid. Naphthalene balls, solid. This spoon, a metallic one, solid. Cotton, solid. This wax, solid. Camphor, solid. This water, I had taken water in a glass, liquid. Perfume bottle, now it is in liquid state. Honey, liquid. Coconut oil, liquid. Ice pieces, solid. Okay, so these are whatever the substances I had taken in the tray. You are observing that some of the substances are in solid states while some are in the liquid states. You know, air is all around us, which is a gaseous state. See this perfume. When I spray this perfume, we know that its fragrance spreads throughout the room. It means this liquid is when mixing with the air, it is spreading its fragrance. It spreads along with the air. So we can say that air occurs in the gaseous states. So as we had studied the different types of different substances in the particular state, but you know that, or now we will study, there are some substances which can occur in all the three states. For example, ice. Ice is a solid form of water, but when you are keeping it at a normal temperature, you find that it converts into the water. And if you heat it, it will convert into the steam, a gaseous state. Means water, a substance, can occur in all the three states depending upon the temperature that we are providing. Herein I have taken the wax. See this wax. Wax also melt when it is heated. I will show you. See here I have taken the wax. Wax, I am heating it. So it melts, do you know, and it converts into its liquid form. It will take some more time because herein in home we do not have the burner to get the reaction faster. So it will take some more time. Okay. Till that time I want to talk with you or tell you that these naphthalene balls, when we are keeping these naphthalene balls in your cloth or anywhere, you find that after some days these naphthalene balls become smaller and smaller. It means this solid converts into gases. So there are some substances which directly converts into gases, and there are some substances. See here, the wax has melted. Okay, are you able to see the wax? Melting wax. So it means solid wax has converted into liquid. But when I am keeping it in the ice, see, I am keeping this in the ice, you will observe that this wax again will change into its solid form. Okay, means from this we can say that I am taking here the camphor also. Very common example, camphor. When we hit the camphor, what happens? Yes. While doing the puja, your mother may be using the camphor, okay, for doing arti, and therein that solid camphor directly converts into the vapor. We have to burn it, no? Instead of converting it into liquid, this will convert into its gaseous form. We are getting the smell of it. Okay. So from these different examples, now we came to know that state of a substance changes. We had taken the example of water. Water occurs in three different states: solid, liquid and gases. I had shown you the example of this wax, a solid wax. When we supplied the heat to it, it has converted into liquid, and when I had reduced its temperature or kept on the ice pieces, you observed that it has converted into solid. Means there are some substances which occurs in three states, or some substances occur in two states. Means state of a substance changes. This is called as change in the state of a substance. Okay. In winter, you know that this coconut oil converts into its solid form. Okay, as the temperature of the surrounding reduces, coconut oil converts into solid form. And when we just keep it in the hot sun, at that time you know that again converts into its liquid form. Means the state of a substance changes. When the substance changes from one state to another, this process is called change of state of a substance. So when the state of a substance changes, the state of a substance changes if it is heated or cooled. Every substance in our surrounding is found either in solid, liquid or the gaseous form. Okay. Now we will study the properties of a substance.